We have all heard of the minimum support price. It comes up in the news every once in a while and there is almost no escaping it. Where does it come from? How does it change? Is it different from year to year? How different is it for different crops? We have all the data and all the numbers that you need for comparing minimum support prices for all the crops for which the government declares one. We have this data for the last more than 20 years at the state level and much more than that. We also have the data that is collected to calculate the minimum support price. This is the cost of cultivation dataset that the Ministry of Agriculture compiles in collaboration with many other agencies, including agricultural universities. This involves collecting data at the farm and plot level continuously and come up with the cost of cultivation of major 26 crops all over India. These crops are identified through a systematic process and the data provides the user with detailed information on what is the cost of labor, what is the cost of inputs like fertilizers and seed, what is the cost of capital equipment like machines or irrigation pumps, and all of it put together, what is the cost not just of cultivation, which is calculated as cost per hectare, but the cost of production, which is cost per quintal of produce. And it is not the same because sometimes you have to spend a lot just to save the crop. Both of these data sets together, the minimum support price and the cost of cultivation, provide data at great depth for all states for more than 20 years for more than 24 major crops grown in India, for which we debate every year on whether the minimum support price is right or not, is good or not, is adequate or not, and is fair or not. This is the data that will allow you to answer these questions in ways that will not only generate insights, but also discover new patterns.